Welcome to News Laundry on Facebook Live. June 25th, 1975 was the day Indira Gandhi declared the infamous emergency. To discuss that period, we have with us those who experienced that time firsthand. I welcome Justice Rajinder Sachar, who was Chief Justice of the Sikkim High Court when he was given a punishment posting to Rajasthan during the emergency. Justice Sachar has led numerous committees and has spearheaded many humanitarian and political causes, one of which is my favorite, getting rid of Section 124A that outlaws disaffection against the state and allows imprisonment for life. Virendra Kapoor on my left, who was jailed by Indira Gandhi during the emergency, was at that time working for the Financial Express. He is a veteran journalist and writes for the Sunday Guardian. He is known for his fiercely independent views, and I would also add his sense of humor. I look forward to his stories about his experiences in jail. Tavleen Singh, journalist since 1974, when she started with The Statesman. You were at The Statesman during the emergency, and you just started as a junior reporter, I imagine. And is author of 6 books. Tavleen now writes a weekly column for the Indian Express. Well, it all began on June 25th, 1975, when Justice Jagmohan Lal Sinha of Allahabad High Court found Prime Minister, at that time Indira Gandhi, guilty of misuse of government machinery for her election campaign. This was a decision on a case filed by Raj Narayan, who had been defeated in the 1971 elections when he stood from Raebareli. Of course, he was one of the first to be arrested on the day emergency was declared. I'll start with you, Virendra. What did you wake up to on June 25th?
So I was staying in Vitola Patel House, the house allotted to my brother-in-law, Subramanian Swamy. And
allotted to?
Subramanian Swamy, who was a
your brother-in-law?
Yeah, Rajya Sabha member. We had just got married, so Kumi and I, and there's a one-bedroom house, first-time MPs. Around 3 o'clock, I think Swamy's wife phoned up to say that this is what has happened, Swamy's coming over. He came over and he slept on the sofa because we being very close to Nanaji Deshmukh, the key man in the Jayaprakash Narayan movement at that time, the organizing secretary of Jan Sangh. So he came over and slept in the sofa, and I said, what the hell is happening? He said, kuch pata nahi hai, but I've been told to leave my house and stay somewhere else. Very good. Around 4 o'clock in the morning, my earlier paper, The Motherland, the reporter Manohar Lal came on his scooter. And he said, oh, you know what has happened? I said, what has happened? Oh, they picked up K.R. Malkani, the editor of The Motherland, last night from his house and read in the Nagar. So couldn't sleep. Next door was UNI. So walked across to UNI and must have spent about 2 hours there. You know, the ticker was only coming. Chandigarh, Jayaprakash Narayan arrested. You know, around the country, who all were picked up. This is all coming on the ticker, UNI ticker. Around 7:30, went home, had tea, and then I said, let's go to Janpat Coffee House.
And that coffee house was
Janpat Coffee House, the hub.
Yes.
And you used to get all kinds of information, you know, some fake news, as Trump will say, and some really truthful gossip. So I asked Manohar, I said, what happened to the paper? He said, oh, paper couldn't come because they cut off the electricity to the entire, Fleet Street, Bahadur Shah Jafar Marg, and they cut off the electricity to the Motherland also. Since I had worked in the Motherland, I had come on Manohar's scooter, I said, let's go and see whether the electricity has been restored in the Motherland.
What time was that?
Around 9:30 or so in the morning. So we went there and found that electricity. These guys thought, now that the papers haven't come, they restored the electricity because you couldn't cut off the electricity to only 1 unit. So it got into my head, I said, chalo akhbar nikalte hain. Because nobody was there, only 2 of us. I had worked in Motherland, I knew where the press was and all. So I said, you compile this UNI and PTI news items. So and so arrested, countrywide arrests, JP arrested, so and so arrested. And I sat on the typewriter. Since I didn't work there, I wasn't a staffer there. So I put the slug, as the journalist will say, who's writing the copy. I put Manohar's name on the top, on the left-hand corner.
Without asking him?
Of course, we had to bring out the paper. I don't work there, no?
Okay.
So I still remember it got into my head. In the copybook fashion of all dictators, Mrs. Gandhi's clamped down on press and all. And those are the hot metal competition. So the last para was cut out. Anyway, a wave of anger and, shock sweeps the capital. Headline, dekhe wo paper nikal diye. Which they are all there in Communist book. Paper nikal diya, but I don't know it. Manohar was always conscious कि कुछ किया है, गलत किया है. ऐसा कर, मैं स्कूटर चलाता हूँ, तू पीछे बैठ, ये पेपर पकड़. वो कांपने लगा. अरे ठीक है, don't be silly. We got hold of those papers, somehow reached coffee house. I distributed papers all over the place. Couldn't be bothered. I didn't know what will happen to us. Anyway, paper, that is the only paper. I believe afterwards that they printed some more papers and they sold for 50 rupees. Those 50 rupees is a lot of money those days. Anyway, the tailpiece in that is that they started saying, who is this guy who's written this Wave of Shock and the copybook? There used to be the number 2 man after Malkani, Dhyanand Singh. He had retired from Indian Express and he was the number 2 here. J.R. Dawashi was there. So they issued a warrant against DN Singh. Misa warrant. DN Singh...
Now, Misa, for this generation, I need to explain.
Maintenance of
Internal Security Act, which bypassed the courts. So your likelihood of getting bail was extremely bleak.
Not
at all. Preventive detention.
It was preventive detention. And mind you, when it was passed in Parliament, when Morarji and others raised objections, the solemn word was given by Indira Gandhi. No political detainee will be arrested under Misa. This is there on record. Anyway, so they issued a warrant. What I'm saying is that subsequently I got to know Dhyanand Singh said, this Virender Kapoor, they don't go after him. Now the point is the IB chaps are as dumb as they come. They didn't know that I could have come and written this. They went after him. And DN Singh for a while nursed the thought that मैं IB का आदमी हूँ जो मुझे नहीं पकड़ रहे. Let me not give you all those stories. Let others come along also.
Now, the interesting thing is, first let me welcome Ram Bahadur Rai. He is a veteran Hindi journalist and former news editor of Jansatta. He is at present the chairman of the Indira Gandhi National Centre of Arts. Welcome, Ram Bahadur ji. So, I want to go back a little bit, and whoever would like to take this forward.
जनसत्ता में थे उस समय? नहीं.
मैं इमरजेंसी के दिनों में या उससे पहले विद्यार्थी परिषद का कार्यकर्ता था और जेपी आंदोलन का एक सिपाही था.
So आप जयप्रकाश नारायण जी के साथ थे?
जेपी आंदोलन में मैं एक कार्यकर्ता के रूप में काम कर रहा था और जो जेपी आंदोलन को चलाने के लिए, बिहार आंदोलन को चलाने के लिए 11 सदस्यों की समिति बनी थी, उसमें एक सदस्य था. और ये लालू प्रसाद जो उस समय पटना विश्वविद्यालय छात्र संघ के अध्यक्ष थे, वो उसमें थे. नीतीश कुमार थे, सुशील मोदी थे, रविशंकर प्रसाद थे, वशिष्ठ नारायण सिंह जो जनता दल यू के अध्यक्ष हैं आजकल, वो भी उसमें मेंबर थे. शिवानंद तिवारी थे. इस तरह से 11 सदस्यों की कमेटी थी.
तो मैं थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड बता दूं इस जनरेशन के लिए कि 1974 से 1974 में जॉर्ज फर्नांडिस ने एक रेलवे स्ट्राइक की. एंड एट द सेम टाइम देयर वर प्रोटेस्ट्स, मार्चेस, मोर्चास, धरनास ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री. अरेस्ट. इंटरेस्टिंगली इनफ, जैसे राम बहादुर जी ने कहा, Lalu Prasad Yadav was at that time, I think, 23. He was the president of the Students' Union of Patna University. He was involved. And the people who to this day defend the emergency and supported Indira Gandhi at that time, one of the excuses or reasons in their mind they give, is that there was utter chaos in the country and conspiracies were being hatched. Ellen Mishra had been assassinated. Judiciary had been attacked. And there
Students' movement in Gujarat.
yeah.
And army was being called.
And
to
army
remember.
was, and one of the things they used, that Jayaprakash Narayan ji had said that he called the army to disobey illegal orders, which they interpreted as mutiny. Now in January,
मैं आपको यहाँ रोकता
बोलिए।
हूँ। जेपी ने ऐसी कोई कॉल नहीं दी थी। 25 जून 1975 को रामलीला मैदान में एक बड़ी सभा हुई थी। कहते हैं कि वो ऐतिहासिक सभा थी और उसमें जो जेपी का भाषण है, जो अखबारों में छपा भी है और बाद में भी रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, उसमें उन्होंने कहीं सेना को विद्रोह करने के लिए, पुलिस को विद्रोह करने के लिए नहीं कहा।
नहीं, पर ये तो कहा था ना कि गलत आदेश अगर आए
हाँ, ये कहा था।
तो उनका आपको उल्लंघन करने का पूरा हक है, कहा था।
मैंने
गलत आदेश जो हैं,
गलत
illegal
आदेश,
orders. Actually, he used illegal orders, and I think anybody can stand by those words,
Yeah,
even now.
Yeah, but that can be interpreted to mean that you know
No, it can't be.
who decides what's illegal.
When Manmohan Singh or Sonia Gandhi says give this coal license to A or B, and I say they don't deserve it, that is illegal.
But no, there was actually in Delhi a kind of strange tension. हाँ, जिस दिन ये इमरजेंसी लगी है उससे शायद एक दिन पहले था वो ये जलसा जिसकी आप बात कर रहे थे
25
अभी
को, हाँ।
25 को, हाँ. But do you know that from the 12th, from the day of the judgment,
came Allahabad.
there was already a tension building up in Delhi.
actually, if I can just give the background to our viewers, Siddharth Shankar Ray had written a letter to Indira Gandhi
In January.
in January,
Yeah.
in which he suggested a plan on why an emergency should be declared, and this was because
An
he,
internal emergency. There was
Internal
already an
emergency.
external emergency.
now in an interview that R.K. Dhawan has given to Karan Thapar, he details that on January 21st, special phones were installed in the Prime Minister's house, in Indira Gandhi's house, specially to inform chief ministers, who were then asked to compile lists for people who should be arrested. So when they went to Fakhruddin Ahmed, who they say, R.K. Dhawan reports that he signed without hesitation, there was no cabinet, there was no meeting. It was declared, and after it was declared, they had a 15-minute meeting with the cabinet, and there was only one mildly dissenting voice, which was Swaran Singh. And after that, Swaran Singh, of course, lost his defense portfolio. So the arrests began that morning, where under MISA, 34,988 people were arrested. 75,818 arrested were detained under Defence of India rules. So now, Tavleen, please.
Yeah, no, what I was saying...
Shall I tell you?
Please, just a second.
In between. Earlier to this ride, as it happened, I was frankly not the Chief Justice Permanent. I had gone as a very special pickup because state, I was a permanent judge of the High Court. And I was, as a matter of fact, selected by him over my seniors. And I only agreed to go for 6 months. That was in May. So I taken up in May, came back here. Then after some break, I was going back on 25th of June, back to Sikkim. I was traveling in the plane to Calcutta. Behind me was Ray, Mr. Ray.
Siddharth Shankar Ray, who was governor of Bengal at that time and main advisor to Indira Gandhi.
Along with me was sitting an acquaintance of mine who obviously knew Bengali. So after some time, in between the flights, Ray got up, went to the cockpit, and came back and said something in Bengali to his secretary. So I, of course, didn't follow, but my colleague did. And he asked me, sir, can emergency be declared twice? Because at that time, the external emergency was on. So I said, no, why external emergency is already on? So I said, what's happened? So he said he was telling his secretary, Ray, that he was going back to Calcutta, and he said, my program is changed. I was to stay there for a week. no, I am going back because emergency is being declared.
So he said that on the plane.
As a matter of fact, I can claim to have known about emergency being
Ahead of
declared
everybody else.
amongst the first ones.
Now, in today's
No,
time,
and
you
I-
could have
and I-
tweeted it.
And I stayed for the night at Calcutta airport because one had to go to Sikkim. So in the morning, of course, TV etc. that Jayaprakash has been arrested and all these people have been arrested. So the evening before, and that is when probably he might have got it from Dhawan also. He said, please call a cabinet meeting at Calcutta because I'm flying back, emergency has been declared.
So, is it, am I correct in saying that an internal emergency has to be proclaimed every 6 months, meaning the president has to re-sign it every 6 months?
It was endorsed by Parliament.
Parliament can
It was a rubber stamp. So,
लेकिन
No,
एस एस
because
रे
external
ने
emergency is different. This
no,
was
in,
the-
internal one.
सिद्धार्थ शंकर रे ने जो शाह कमीशन को बयान दिया है उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि 25 जून की सुबह जब वे इंदिरा गांधी के साथ जब राष्ट्रपति फखरुद्दीन अली अहमद के पास जा रहे थे 25 जून की सुबह, तो ये रास्ते में इंदिरा गांधी ने उनसे पूछा कि तुम ये बताओ बिना कैबिनेट की बैठक बुलाए इमरजेंसी कैसे लगाई जा सकती है। और सिद्धार्थ शंकर रे ने अपने बयान में शाह कमीशन के सामने कहा है कि मैंने उनसे कहा कि मुझे आप कुछ समय दीजिए, और शाम को उन्होंने एक कानूनी सलाह दी कि अगर राष्ट्रपति इमरजेंसी की घोषणा पर हस्ताक्षर कर देते हैं तो सुबह कैबिनेट की बैठक बुला करके उसका अप्रूवल लिया जा सकता है, और यही तरीका अपनाया गया।
मधु, can I come in here
Please.
for- ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही हम दोष दे रहे हैं सिद्धार्थ शंकर रे को, हाँ? क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि ये जो दोष दिया जा रहा है सिद्धार्थ शंकर रे को, ये धवन की इंटरव्यू के बाद में है, जो बचा रहे हैं संजय गांधी को। क्योंकि एक्सक्यूज़ मी, अब मैं अंग्रेज़ी में बोलूँगी हिंदी में, अच्छा
पंजाबी में बोले।
पंजाबी, हाँ, अच्छा नहीं, you know something, please recognize what was going on in Delhi at that point. I was a very junior reporter. I used to walk past Mrs. Gandhi's house to go to the Statesman, and I used to just go and check what was going on. संजय गांधी मुझे 12 तारीख जिस दिन जजमेंट आई है जून 12 को मिले थे वहाँ पे, हाँ, और वहाँ पे रोज़ जो ये बसें भर भर के
क्राउड चालू हो गया था।
हाँ हाँ, इंदिरा गांधी फिर आकर उनको बताती थी कि देखो मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है और ये लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, और
अंबिका
तो
सोनी
ये
and
बिल्ड अप जो था
ड्रामा शुरू हो गया।
बहुत
ड्रामा
पहले
12
से थे। और सिद्धार्थ शंकर रे को ये लोग दोष इसलिए दे रहे हैं क्योंकि वो अपनी पैरवी तो कर नहीं सकते हैं, पर लेकिन
तो संजय
असली
गांधी।
बंदा इमरजेंसी के पीछे
संजय
संजय
गांधी।
गांधी
No
साहब।
doubt about it.
You know,
I-
please, you know what he said to me that day at the roundabout? I was a very junior reporter, right? And unfortunately, the Statesman didn't even use the story on page 1. I was devastated. But he gave me an interview. And he said, so I said, what do you think of the judgment? You know, the obvious question. Oh, stupid judgment. So I said, what are you going to do? He said, you'll see. Right? So Mrs. Gandhi's main advisor in this period was Sanjay Gandhi, the only person in India who could defy Indira Gandhi and tell her what to do was Sanjay Gandhi, not Siddharth Shankar Ray, for
I agree
God's
with you.
sake.
But
right?
I
and you know, no,
although-
and please let's not protect
About the
him. He
exclusiveness-
was very much, the minute the emergency was declared, I mean, that day, the day that we, the Statesman, by the way, the Statesman also came out that day, that Motherland and all that came out, with blank spaces, because they forgot to turn off the lights for the Hindustan Times and the Statesman. They turned them off only in Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, right? So the Statesman protested, and we continued to protest. But the threats
Yeah, the blank
to
space
us,
was in any case
the
also
threats
banned.
to us came not from anyone other than the Prime Minister's house through Sanjay Gandhi. We'll see you, I mean, journalists were threatened directly
You see,
by him.
About Sanjay Gandhi, the total influence, I tell you, after the new elections had taken place, she had been gone out. Indira Gandhi was staying in this house given by the government. Kuldeep Nair, he sought an interview with Indira Gandhi that I want to come. This is after the interview.
This is before the emergency.
No,
After
he
he's
not
over.
with him,
12
Sanjay
Wellington
Gandhi.
Crescent.
So Sanjay Gandhi said, you come over. He went there and met him at this Wellington or whichever.
12 Wellington Crescent.
That.
This is after the
And he
Yes,
says
yes,
that he saw Mrs. Gandhi in the veranda. They waved to each other. So he asked Sanjay. He said, Sanjay, why did you lift the emergency? So you know what Sanjay said?
Thought they were
Ask
winning.
her. I wouldn't have done it.
Okay, I'll tell you that Kamal
This is
Nath,
Kuldeep, he said.
Kamal Nath has confirmed
he
that
said,
Sanjay
ask-
and he were in
He said, ask
Srinagar.
her. Kamal
And-
Nath arranged the interview because, frankly,
And
Kuldeep wouldn't have
Sanjay didn't
considered
lift
that
the emergency, he didn't want it lifted, didn't know it was going to be lifted. But you should.
Sanjay Gandhi did not know that it was going to be lifted.
Kamal says that he and Sanjay were on a holiday in Srinagar when they discovered, or they were in Kashmir somewhere, and Mrs. Gandhi lifted it at the Kumbh Mela where we all were, desperate to get back. She announced it at the Kumbh Mela, the lifting of the
Look, the
emergency.
point is-
And Sanjay's point, according to Kamal, was that either you have elections or you have the emergency. So he said if you lift it without, if you have elections without lifting the emergency, we'll get screwed. And that's, in fact, what
But
happened.
she had gotten intelligence reports from IB saying that she was going to get a landslide victory.
Yeah, they were lying through their
Because who
teeth.
tells the king that you people
Yeah.
are against you? She was cocooned. But the fact remains that, as you rightly said, that she thought that she's winning the election. But I have a different point. If she had not lifted the emergency, this country couldn't have done anything. We were all at the mercy of these guys.
This is
I
one
have- I
point,
have no
Virendra, please
doubt about- I have
tell
no
me.
doubt about it.
Please tell me. All of you can please say answer.
नहीं, मुझे ये
जब,
लगता है कि-
आप जब इसका प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए कि व्हेन जयप्रकाश नारायण जी का अरेस्ट हुआ था तो हमने सुना था कि उनने कहा to Indira Gandhi or to his jailers
विनाशकाले बुद्धि
कि not only that he said कि
विनाशकाले
मैं अरेस्ट होऊंगा तो पूरा देश में आग लग जाएगी.
कुछ नहीं
So
हुआ.
what happened?
No.
What happened?
Jayaprakash wasn't on posting time.
stray incidents.
Whatever. But the point that I want to ask you about, all of you, is that when all these arrests took place, the country did not, the average Indian did not respond.
Unconcerned.
They're
He was unhappy,
unconcerned.
but
The
unconcerned.
streets were quiet.
Yeah.
Nobody took, people did not pour out on the streets like they did in Nirbhaya. They did not protest. Every chup ke sab baithe hoye the. So are
There
we
was
a
a-
nation
there
of
was- by the way,
was
are
the
we a
television
nation of-
phenomenon.
No,
Also.
but
there was
are we a
real
nation
fear.
of cowards?
There was real fear.
Yeah, so we are a nation of cowards because everybody
there
sat
was,
quiet.
There was a dictator. She was very powerful. And in the streets of Delhi, there was palpable fear.
And quiet.
So even after this Nasbandi started and they started breaking down Turkman Gate, etc., when they tried to protest, they were shot dead right in the middle of Delhi. So, nobody could protest. I'm quite a brave person. I couldn't have protested.
No.
How many journalists were in jail? Virinder, कितने
What
सीगे?
you're saying.
Not many.
No.
But secondly, you
200
also-
तो ज्यादा.
Not
200
many.
200 तो ज्यादा.
What they're thinking of is like the mass demonstration. That couldn't take place. For example, Delhi was totally silent, dead. I know I came from Sikkim after the emergency. I contacted some of the CPI people, the professors, the university whom I have been working with, civil liberties more. Everybody is quiet. And fact is, CPI officially was with the Indira Gandhi.
Initially,
It was
CPI supported the emergency.
supported the emergency, and it was only.
But-
Don't forget, George had gone around. We derailed rails. We derailed rails. He was underground for some time. Madhya Pradesh, our Ladli Nigam, from which this case arose later on. They were all
but
fighting.
a handful of
Delhi was the worst. You think Delhi?
Center is Delhi.
जयप्रकाश नारायण को जब पकड़ा था, जब गिरफ्तार किया तो बिहार में कुछ हुआ?
Bihar must also have done it.
बिहार में कुछ हुआ?
देखिए ये कहना कि लोग घरों में रह गए और सड़क पर नहीं आए, ये गलत है. इसको इस तरह से समझना चाहिए कि इमरजेंसी की घोषणा से लोग सदमे में आए, लेकिन वो सदमा कुछ दिनों का ही था. मुझे याद है कि जैसे मैं खुद भी उन दिनों कानपुर में था और देहात में था. जब हमको मालूम पड़ा कि इमरजेंसी की घोषणा हो गई है तो मैं पटना गया और मुझे याद है कि गोविंदाचार्य और त्रिपुरारी शरण मुझे मिले। इन दोनों ने मुझसे कहा कि आप यहाँ से निकलिए, लड़ाई लंबी है और इसलिए सुरक्षित किसी स्थान पर पहुँच जाइए। मैं पहुँचा बनारस, और बनारस में उस समय के जो लोकसभा मेंबर थे उन्होंने जासूसी करके मुझे गिरफ्तार करवाया। तो एक तरफ परिस्थिति ये थी कि लोग सदमे में थे, कांग्रेस और सीपीआई के कार्यकर्ता पुलिस के जासूस के तौर पर काम कर रहे थे। इसके बावजूद 30 जून से अगर आप देखें, आप दो बातें याद रखिए। एक याद रखिए कि 25 जून की सभा में नानाजी देशमुख ने 29 जून से सत्याग्रह की एक घोषणा कर रखी थी लोक संघर्ष समिति की ओर से,
क्योंकि बाला साहब देवरस ने तो माफी मांगी।
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि 30 जून से सारे देश में सत्याग्रह का एक चरण 15 जुलाई तक चला है और उसमें हजारों लोग गिरफ्तार हुए हैं। उसी तरह से फिर उसके बाद भी सत्याग्रह का चला है और 1942 की लड़ाई में जितने लोग गिरफ्तार हुए थे उससे कहीं ज़्यादा लोग इस बार की जेलों में गए और हर तरीके से, अहिंसक तरीके से, हिंसक तरीके से उस समय की सत्ता को उखाड़ने के लिए प्रयास हुए हैं।
तो हम बुज़दिलों का देश नहीं है, जैसे मधु ने अभी कहा।
इसलिए आप यह मत मानिए कि ये बुज़दिलों का देश है, ये लड़ने वालों का देश
इसके
है।
बारे में कुछ कहना है। देखिए ऐसा है, आप जो कह रहे हैं, आपने 1942 का भी कहा, हम ओवरस्टेट करते हैं 1942 में। बिल्कुल 1942 का भी यही था कि एक बार मूवमेंट होती थी, शुरू में गुवार आता था, बैठ जाता था। जो एक्टिविस्ट होते थे आप जैसे पकड़े गए और कुछ पकड़े गए, उसके बाद आम जनता जो है उनकी सोच आपकी तरफ होगी, उनको सबको गुस्सा होगा कि क्या किया है अपनी कुर्सी बचाने के लिए या बेटे को आगे करने के लिए, पर कोई करने को तैयार नहीं था। मुझे अभी तक एक डायलॉग याद है,
अफेक्टेड भी तो नहीं थे ना,
अफेक्टेड नहीं थे जब तक नसबंदी नहीं, और नसबंदी वाले भी नहीं लड़े।
Until नसबंदी and the resettlement, they were not affected.
कैरेक्टर में नहीं है कि हम खड़े हो जाएं कोलेक्टिवली, हमारे कैरेक्टर में नहीं है। हर हम लोग, मुझे अभी तक याद है, मुझे किसी ने बताया था इमरजेंसी में, हम कॉफ़ी हाउस में बैठ के गप मारते थे कि हर चाहता है कि मेरे पड़ोस में, हर माँ चाहती है मेरे पड़ोस में भगत सिंह पैदा हो, मेरा बेटा जो है वो ना भगत सिंह बने। नो, बट let me finish this. The whole point is, but let me give you vital information. They had issued so many thousands of MISA warrants in this city, thinking कि बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा. When they implemented, Mrs. Gandhi knew what she was getting into. I mean, she was overturning the constitution. And here वो कहते हैं कि जस्ट नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ। कुछ लोग छोटा पुटा पकड़े गए और उसके बाद बैठ गए। आधे जो मीसा के वारंट थे वो उन्होंने इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किए। एंड व्हाट अगेन अ फेमस सेंटेंस said by somebody else in emergency who went to jail. He said after 6 months what it meant was that instead of living in your own house, you went to your brother's house or your friend's house. They didn't bother. They knew where you were because they said कुछ किया ही नहीं इन लोगों ने, क्या एजिटेशन किया है? मेरा, मैं भी मानता हूँ कुछ नहीं किया।
And also there were more than, if there was anything, it might have been in a few states in the north, Maharashtra,
Gujarat में because it's Congress हो, Gujarat हो, Congress हो।
Mumbai was completely unaffected during the
South India, the whole of South India
They
voted
used to
for
wonder
Mrs.
that
Gandhi.
why
And how do you explain otherwise 150 seats?
You forget one thing. You forget one thing. You see, our freedom struggle was fought in a very different manner from being fought in Burma and others. It was a non-violent one. So what was it?
It was what?
A non-violent one.
No, rationalize your character of cowardice.
A satyagraha one.
वही।
So what happened was Gandhiji gave the call, all went to jail.
I know.
All went to jail.
किताबें लिखी बैठ के वहाँ।
There was no such precedent accepting the socialists in 42. Everybody went to jail. He announced, we waited. For example, we waited with my father at home. Why is the police not coming to arrest us? Then we declared that we will hold a public meeting. Then they came. That was the psychology. It was only the socialists, the Jaipurkars and we, and who went underground. So unlike Burma, unlike Nigeria, so that is why the quietness that you say was not born out of cowardice or
सच्चर साहब ऐसा है, अगर सच्चर साहब ऐसा, एक मिनट, लेट मी से आई हैव वेरी स्ट्रांग ओपिनियन ऑन दिस। अगर इस देश में इतनी मोहब्बत होती कि मेरे ह्यूमन राइट्स, मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन किसने चिथड़े चिथड़े कर दिए हैं, तो 1980 में वही संजय गांधी और वही इंदिरा गांधी आप नहीं
वापस
लाते
ना
वापस।
आते।
क्या बात कर रहे, इस देश में हम लोग सब बुजदिल हैं, कोई कैरेक्टर
अच्छा
नहीं
नहीं,
है।
बुजदिल नहीं, एक तो पॉलिटिक्स
आप वापस
बहुत
ले
कम लोग समझते हैं।
There is a slight-
मधु एक और, अगर कुछ स्टेक होता, जो लोग इमरजेंसी से लड़े, जनता पार्टी बनाई, किस तरह से पागलों की तरह आपस में लड़ते रहे, वो तोड़ दी। अगर कुछ स्टेक होता, क्योंकि आज़ादी बड़ी, कुर्सियां बड़ी मुफ्त से मिल गई थी, उसको हमने समझा नहीं, वैल्यू नहीं समझी।
Acha, I want to add to this. You know, don't forget there was no press, right? There were 10 newspapers in the whole country, right? So it was very easy to control the media. Most ordinary Indians
What did Advani ji say?
had nothing to do with the emergency. The police didn't
That's
come
my
to their
point.
house. They didn't,
That's my
yeah,
point.
They didn't
that
come
the
to the
average
house.
Indian, the millions
Didn't have
were
anything.
unaffected.
They were unaffected. When they were affected in Haryana, kaun sa gaon tha Haryana mein? These women came out and started beating up the Nasbandi people.
Nasbandi.
Yes.
Whenever they were affected directly, like in North India, wherever they were affected, they protested.
एक्चुअली
but
अगर
the
नसबंदी ना
majority-
होती तो हो सकता है कि ये इमरजेंसी और चलती।
हाँ,
But
नहीं वो खुद उठा देती.
no, but the point is that today, young people, I think, see that period as emergency hui, and there
उनको
were
तो पता
these
ही नहीं है।
heroes who fought. Yes,
nobody.
there were heroes who fought and put into jail. But
There were no heroes.
There are
But
no
there were
heroes.
general.
There were no heroes.
But there were the general public and the general atmosphere. If you recall, people actually supported it. They said trains are coming on time,
The
efficiency
middle
हो गई,
class
corruption
Delhi
कम हो गई.
वाला thought बड़ी अच्छी गाल है जी, चल ले.
And if
हाँ?
anyone
और
protested,
दफ्तर साफ हो रहे हैं
if
जी,
anyone
याद-
protested, they would say कि you're troublemakers. Any dissent, even socially or whatever, is considered that why are you making trouble? So what I want to bring up now is that a subject that you are interested in, kid, this dissent is a very important thing in our constitution, in our culture. It is in some way protected, in some ways it's not.
This is integral part of your democratic system. Without that, you
But
can't
it
survive.
can be manipulated.
It can
I
be
mean, look at the way
suspended. She
his
suspended
judiciary
the-
crumbled, Baba. Why
Yeah,
don't
she
you ask him?
suspended the right to life.
The way the judiciary crumbled, I mean, nobody's business. And you're talking about Indians fighting. Here, the five top, how many was it, a 5-member bench?
No, and she superseded
And
three
that's
judges.
No.
First.
That the reverse, the
No,
Jabalpur.
that Jabalpur case,
Jabalpur
you know,
case.
it's a very interesting thing.
Only
Please-
one Khanna.
When I
Now,
tell-
please explain it for our this generation. Please explain that case. Jabalpur case.
Jabalpur case, you see, was that if anybody is arrested, he has a right to go for habeas corpus. So, some articles can be suspended. So, emergency was declared. They suspended all articles, including 21, which is right to liberty.
Life and liberty.
Right to life.
Life.
You see, Madhya Pradesh High Court said, notwithstanding this, we can examine whether it's been legally arrested or not. So the matter came to the Supreme Court. During that interval, many people were released who were arrested under the Preventive Detention Act. When it was to be heard, we were very panicky. So that what will happen with Ray? Ray had already overtaken them. Ray was the senior most, then was Beg, then was Khanna Sahab, then Bhagwati and Chandrachud.
Chandra Chaudhary.
The reputation of Bhagwati and Chandrachud was that they are very liberal, liberty-loving people. So the bar has expected that they will vote against it.
3-2.
So Daftari, he had retired by then from Solicitor General, along with Mr. Talkonde, who was our Civil Liberties Union President, and Mr. Vaad, who later on became my colleague in the High Court. He was the secretary. They went to the Chief Justice Ray and said, Chief, this is a very important case. We are not asking anything. We are only asking that the first senior-most judges, 5 senior-most judges, should be on the bench. Ray was very annoyed. He said, Mr. Daftari, do you know what it is? It's contempt of court, to ask for any. He said, we know, but we are only asking senior-most. Because our thinking was that Bhagwati and Chandrachud are certainly with us. Ray and Chief is against. And we thought we might give in. But I can tell you this because I was very close to Khanna Sahab. I was with him. During the hearing, Khanna told me after about 2 weeks or so, Rajinder, Bhagwati has gone on the other side. Another 10 days, he said, Chandrachud has also gone. I am the only one left. Bravery of this man. Later on, somebody tried to blind him. And I know that when I was going to Rajasthan in January, judgment had not yet been delivered. But Khanna Sahab had a habit of writing with hand along with it, very quick in judgment. I went just to say bye-bye to him. And elections had not yet been announced. So he took me to his room, showed me a tray where it was closed. He says, Rajinder, I have written my judgment, which is going to cost me my Chief Justiceship. He had already written the judgment, about 2 months, 3 months before the judgment was announced. He knew it. So I went to Jaipur, and later on, as he knows, that even Chandrasekhar didn't want election. They were panicky. I know there was a very big debate in our Socialist Party inside whether they should agree.
In there was exchange. Niran Dey was the Attorney General at that time.
No.
And he was asked if somebody is
he
is
said.
killed.
Right to life.
Right, somebody is killed without any reason. Is there any remedy?
Not
So the
only,
Niran Dey said, my lord, not in the
no,
emergency.
not only that. He said
but
that
you
if
know-
somebody comes.
Let's
and
come back to
shoots at
heroes.
He
you-
said that you do not
No,
have the
no,
right to
I
life.
tell you the
Madhu, come back to heroes for a minute.
Yeah.
You know, we're going into too many details about which are really not that important.
Boliye, Tavleen.
Okay, the fact is that can it happen again? Right? That's what we should really be worried about.
Why the Indian
can
character
the
hasn't
emergency?
changed?
No, but the media.
So you're saying
Oh,
it
come
can?
on now.
No, okay, no. And now
shut
one
down the
minute.
media.
Okay, hang on. Nobody comes out as a hero from the emergency.
Of
The
course
judges were cowards. The media was cowards. The politicians were cowards. The
And the
RSS,
people, and the general public.
The people were not affected. When
Well, in
they
public,
could,
please-
That's
when
the
they
point,
could,
Tavleen,
when
that's
they
the
could
point.
fight,
In other
they
words,
did. When they
That's
could,
no, no.
they fought.
Excuse me,
They fought.
that's
with-
one
The
point.
way in public, please exclude the Socialist Party contest. They fought for it.
Okay.
And they have no
Socialist
Gandhi
Party,
done.
ठीक है.
Socialist
But
Party.
George Fernandez has
Oh, George
George
is the one
Fernandez.
at
What are you
stake.
talking
What-
about?
One second.
There are-
George Fernandez.
point
fought.
on-
Yes, nobody
George
denies
Fernandez.
this. But for
they
every
were put
George
how many
Fernandez-
people are there? in
George
Socialist
Fernandez
Party?
was a
How many
hero.
people are there in Socialist
George
Party?
Fernandez.
So let's talk about.
Strength was limited.
That's what I'm saying.
Strength was limited.
No, then they'll say the RSS Jansangh guys apologize. But the fact is, if out of 80,000 people, 70,000 belong to RSS Jansangh, if 10,000 apologize, they obviously because out of 70,000, 10,000 can apologize. But if you are 10, out of 10, only 3 apologize, the number is 70,000.
And by the way, the Akalis fought through the emergency. Through the emergency, the
The same
Akalis fought.
Jathas
Mrs.
will
Gandhi.
come,
Yeah.
the court arrest, they'll be released,
Yeah.
taken out of Delhi, and then they'll again come back. They fought all through
But
that.
the point here is that, which is what I want to, you ask, can it happen today? The question to really ask is that when a person, whether you're, particularly if you're a journalist, and you're faced with these questions, and we are faced those today also, whether you want to do a story or not, which could put your and your family's life in some kind of vindictive danger from anyone, from maybe a politician or a corporate house or a goon, you don't know. People always have to weigh this consequence of the price you have to pay for the freedom, that to exercise your freedom or to exercise whatever your work. At that time, sentence that you said, Tavleen, that because it didn't affect them, now isn't that what citizens are supposed to be concerned about? That even if it doesn't affect you, you believe in the Constitution and you fight for it.
Yeah, but you could talk to that. You can talk this kind of language to people who have literacy, right? In the emergency, it was 80% illiterate India, and even the figure.
मेरा कहना यह है कि इमरजेंसी की घोषणा के 5 महीने के अंदर
जोर से बोलिए।
इमरजेंसी की घोषणा के 5 महीने के अंदर 2 प्रवृत्तियां दिखाई पड़ी थी, एक लड़ने की और दूसरी शासन इस तरह से चल रहा था जिससे लोगों का जो असंतोष था वो कम हुआ था। ट्रेनें समय पर चलने लगी थी, दाम घटे थे, शांति और व्यवस्था थोड़ी सुधरी थी। तो शुरू के 5 महीनों में एक इमरजेंसी का सकारात्मक असर दिखाई पड़ा था और उससे सामान्य आदमी को ये लगा था कि चलिए ये तो कुछ हद तक ठीक है, और आंदोलन वालों ने अपनी कोशिश की, परंतु 5 महीने के बाद मैं इस बात से सहमत नहीं हूँ कि लोग लड़े नहीं, पूरी ताकत से लड़े, और उनके लड़ने और उनकी राजनीतिक सूझबूझ के कारण ही इंदिरा गांधी को ये भ्रम हुआ कि हम चुनाव जीत भी सकते हैं। दूसरा, जिन दिनों यानी 18 जनवरी 1977 को जब चुनाव की घोषणा हुई है, तो संयोग से 29 दिसंबर से लेकर 1 जनवरी तक मैं दिल्ली में था, जेल से बाहर आ गया था, और उन दिनों चौधरी चरण सिंह से मैं मिला, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी एक फिरोज शाह रोड पर रहते थे, उनसे मिला, ओम प्रकाश त्यागी से मिला, चंद्रशेखर से मिला, मोहन धारिया से मिला, क्योंकि सब लोग दिल्ली में थे। और इन लोगों से क्या बात हुई उसको मैं बहुत विस्तार से बता सकता हूँ, जिसका सार यह है कि पूरा विपक्ष उस समय डिवाइडेड था और इंदिरा गांधी को ये लग रहा था कि यही उचित समय है जब हम चुनाव की घोषणा करेंगे तो विपक्ष एक नहीं होगा। और जैसे ही ये समझकर कि आज अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी की चौधरी चरण सिंह से बातचीत नहीं है, क्योंकि प्रकाशवीर शास्त्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को चौधरी चरण सिंह के खिलाफ भड़का रहे थे, और ये सतपाल मलिक जो आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता हैं,
वो कांग्रेस में ले जा रहे थे,
वे चौधरी चरण सिंह को कांग्रेस में ले जा रहे थे। चौधरी चरण सिंह से मिलने के लिए जब मैं यूपी भवन गया तो केसी त्यागी और सतपाल मलिक दोनों दरवाजे पर खड़े थे, ये कहने के लिए कि आप चौधरी साहब से क्या क्या बातें करें। मैंने कहा कि चौधरी साहब से मैं मिलने आया हूँ ये बताने के लिए कि उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार और मध्य प्रदेश, जिन 3 राज्यों में मैं घूम रहा हूँ, छात्र संगठन और छात्र नेता क्या कर रहे हैं, और यही मैंने चौधरी साहब को बताया भी। मेरा ये कहना है कि इंदिरा गांधी को गफलत में डालने के लिए कुछ पत्रकारों को भी श्रेय है, जैसे हिरण्यमय कार्लेकर को श्रेय है, जैसे भानु प्रताप शुक्ल को श्रेय है।
वो तो आपके आदमी थे।
हाँ, हमारे आदमी थे, हमारे मैं उनका आदर करता था।
We'll now go to some questions from our viewers from Facebook. उससे पहले, Virendra, before we just go to that, I want our viewers to be treated to some of your experiences while you were in jail. आप कहते थे कि खाना बहुत अच्छा था, and we used to hear a lot of stories about Pilu Modi, because he was a colorful character and how he had trouble with the Indian toilets and they had to put bricks for him to sit on, which then collapsed. And also Maharani, and the difference between how Maharani Gayatri Devi dealt with her being in jail and Rajmata Gwalior. There was a marked difference. One was a brat and one used it as grist for the mill.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि जेल में विमेंस वार्ड एक ही था, और राजमाता ग्वालियर जो है इंडियन रूट्स की थी, इंडियन ट्रेडिशन की थी, एंड जयपुर कुछ भी कहिए वो थोड़ी वेस्टर्नाइज थी, ज़्यादा इम्पीरियल एटीट्यूड था, रॉयल्टी थी वो एक्चुअली। एंड ये बिल्कुल ऐसे लगती थी कि भी हिंदुस्तान की सती सावित्री नारी है राजमाता। वो हर तरह के मुसीबत को झेल सकती थी और उन्होंने दिखाया। और जयपुर वाली जो थी,
in fact, she organized some of the women and she was teaching them.
She telling them how politely you should speak, don't use foul language, because some of the inmates were from GB Road, you know, the red light area. Then there is this infamous murder case where Dr. Jan's
Wife.
Not wife, the paramour, this woman,
Girlfriend.
Chandresh Sharma, she was there and she used to use foul language. The point is that one took it on the chin very well, the other wilted away. And she, I think, the result was that she gave up politics, Jaipur. And Maharani Gwalior was very well respected within the jail, and afterwards she was a very tall figure. In fact, after Atalji and Nanaji Deshmukh, her contribution in creating BJP or Jan Sangh, what it is in Madhya Pradesh, is a lot.
So the friendships
I know you may not like it because you move around in the same circle, there is a man called Madhura Sindhia. And
I move in a lot
I
of
must say, my
circles,
first assignment
including
at
yours.
71 election, what is now the Indian Oil Bhavan in Connaught Place, there used to be a Maidan and they used to have public meetings there. 71 election, the rally under the Bhagwa symbol of flag of Jansangh, Nanaji Deshmukh brought Madhura Sindhia. He addressed the rally in favor of the Jansangh candidate. And when the emergency came, he turned turtle because he couldn't take it. The mother could. Went to Nepal and signed that 20-pointer and 20 सूत्रिया हो गया. 20 सूत्रिया इंदिरा गांधी के थे, 5 सूत्र थे उसके संजय गांधी के. तो आपने अगर 20 सूत्र साइन कर दिया तो गए मतलब.
20 सूत्रिया.
तो हमारी कौम में भी इनके बड़े पुराने साथी थे विद्यार्थी परिषद के, वो भी साइन वाइन करके घूम रहे थे कहीं. अब मैं नाम क्या बताऊंगा. तो
So there were a lot.
हाँ, तो उसके बाद जस्टिफाई करने लगा कम्युनल फोर्सेस.
If today we were to shave bald all the people who collaborated, तो बहुत गंजे लोग होते.
You know what you said, what Advani ji said about when asked to bend, they started crawling, and they all crawled, but the entire country crawled. But I just want to add, because I really feel strongly, because they sent me to Naini jail for 5 months from Delhi. There was this guy called Virender Atal. All his 10 toenails and all 20 of them, they pulled out by pincers. You know why? Because the local SHO found him distributing. They used to bring out underground. Underground क्या हिंदी के शब्द? पर्चा नहीं, एक बहनी क्या आप बोलते थे?
Pamphlet.
हाँ, वो नहीं पम्पलेट थी पर हिंदी में. इनका जो है वो साइक्लोस्टाइल शूरी डुप्लीकेटर में साइक्लोस्टाइल करके बांटते थे. उसने उसको पकड़ लिया. उसके पैर के और हाथों के प्लास से उसने नाखून खींचे. Charan Singh spoke after his release in UP Assembly for 4.5 hours. He spent about 40 minutes talking about this boy.
But
So there were some heroes.
There were many such cases. In
And
fact,
one
Vandana
more hero.
has made a
Sanjay Gandhi
documentary.
went in emergency, and the local Congress leader, chief minister, they all, dancing all over in Madhya Pradesh. One boy came forward, broke the line somehow, and slapped Sanjay Gandhi. For me, he is a hero.
No, that's true. There was,
And there was the documentary
and we
films
have
made
to
with
acknowledge George
interviews.
Fernandez.
Yes. And there have been many.
Rajmata Gwalior was underground. She was running from
Yeah.
There have been films made with interviews with people who have given evidence of how they were beaten, nails broken, fingernails, feet broken, torture, the normal torture that one knows
Madhu,
about.
Let me tell you about what, again following up the bill. People, of course, he correctly agreed. I tell you the case of my father. He was a congressman, he was the chief minister of Punjab, he was Andhra governor, Odisha governor. Indira had actually, during that, when Nehru used to come, Indira used to come, she left a very big doll at her house. In 75, my father, from 68 after, he had, actually politics he had retired, but he was working only in this Servants of People Society, Lajpat Bhavan, etc. In 75, July, he wrote a letter to Indira Gandhi saying that you have put such a pressure on the press, which Jawaharlal Nehru had told us has to be allowed to do in spite of the fact that it may be irresponsibility. And from 9th of August, because 9th of August was the Quit India Day, there were 7 of us, one was another old man, we are going to hold a satyagraha fast in your parliament. This letter is sent to all parliament people. Prabodh was then Ashwini's father. He was the parliament secretary, he was from Punjab. So he talked to Gurmukh Singh Musafar, who had been the president of Punjab.
Can you, we're running out of time.
No, I'm telling you Indira's attitude. He said, please talk to her that Satya Sahib has written this letter. If the situation comes this way, it may have a bad impression. So he talked to Indira Gandhi, and Indira Gandhi said, yes, it's a very good idea. Let Musafar talk to him. That was in the evening. Next day, Prabodh rang up home and called my mother. So he said, Chacha ji ko bulaiye, my son. He said, Beta, he has been picked up last night at 4 o'clock in the morning. She knew. You think he would have been arrested without Indira knowing it? he was picked up from my official residence.
Absolutely, yeah.
And they went at 2, and since we had a guard, they said, please come at 4. He was taken to Lahore Central Jail.
Lahore.
Delhi. Kept there, then sent to Ambala. When I came back, I came from Sikkim that wanted to meet him. Brahmanand said, Brahmanand was the Home Minister when he was the Governor of Andhra Pradesh. His wife and he used to come so often. He said, I can't give a permission.
You know, what you talk about the judiciary, Chandra Chod, after the emergency, said that we all were acting out of fear. That virtually sums up the state of the nation during the emergency.
And they apologized.
When he is on record, Chandra Chod, when he gave that people can be killed without any relief or remedy from the courts. So what else was left there?
Virendra, there's a story in your book also.
Not my book, Baba.
I mean, sorry, your wife's book, Kumi Kapoor's book. Apologies.
इन्होंने कुमी कपूर को बहुत तकलीफ दिया है. इनके खिलाफ मानवाधिकार का कानून चलना चाहिए.
मैं तो खुद कहता हूँ हम लोग तो मस्ती लेते थे जेल में वॉलीबॉल खेलते थे सुबह उठते थे.
She had just had a baby and it was not easy.
And the child, my first daughter was born after a month after the emergency. Poor thing, she and
But
her
you didn't
sister
name her
used to
Misa like Lalu did name one of
And
his
don't
daughters.
forget that Lalu's daughter, now they're rooting for Sonia Gandhi, is named Misa.
Misa, acha. Now, there is a story in Kumi's book about there was a meeting held and Prabhu Chawla was supposed to bring come on a scooter and take Arun
That's a
Jaitley.
fantastic story, but why do you
Batao
want
na.
this?
No, batao na, batao. Let's do a little, we've been serious, do a little entertainment
it
also.
happened with Arun Jaitley. Arun Jaitley was the president of the Delhi University Students' Union. So Prabhu had this beaten down scooter and it was quite a big thing those days.
Prabhu Chawla.
No, and he was the Vidyarthi Parishad, the chief of Delhi. So they got onto, Arun got onto the pillion of Prabhu's scooter, and in the compound in Delhi University, where the coffee house is, in administrative block, they addressed about 30-odd Bob guys, who was the Narasimha Rao's PS and then went to the United Nations Foreign Service. Anyway, he was one of, there are well-known names at that time who went on to join the services. Anyway, Arun addressed against the emergency, and the police were there to pick him up, but Arun was looking for Prabhu Chawla and there was no Prabhu Chawla there. He just disappeared.
When he saw the arrest being made, he just
disappeared.
There was no Prabhu Chawla.
Okay, now we're going to go to the...
No,
but that's not the end of the story.
No, please.
So afterwards, they issued they went 20 pointers. Meaning, then he took, because Kumi wrote in that book, he threatened to file a defamation case against her. But Nina Vyas used to cover University for the Statesman, Tablin's old paper at that time. Because this information came from Nina Vyas, and secondly, we all were following और क्या काम करते थे, जेल में बैठे थे, क्या हो रहा है बाहर खबर देख रखते थे. He went there, please publish this. You know the reason why you want it to be published. It was humiliating. Because the guys in your neighborhood who got your eye, ये विद्यार्थी परिषद के आदमी, अच्छा ये बाहर घूम रहा है, अभी तक बाहर घूम रहा है, अंदर नहीं गया. He will go and report to a youth congress thug or somebody else कि देखिए हमारे इलाके में राम बहादुर राय थे, वो घूम रहे हैं बाहर, इनको आपने पकड़ा नहीं. तो that is why you have to send out a message to other people. देख मैं तुम्हारे साथ आ गया हूँ, मैं छोड़ गया हूँ अभी, विद्यार्थी परिषद छोड़ दे. तो इसलिए वो छुपाया ज़बरदस्ती. एक और सज्जन थे मेरे साथ, बलवीर पुंछ, उन्होंने भी यही काम किया है. बाद में वो राज्यसभा
कुमी ने लिखा है उस पर,
और वो मेरे साथ भी थी. मेरे साथ फाइनेंशियल एक्सप्रेस में सुब्रमण्य स्वामी ने उनको जो है नानाजी देशमुख से कह के मार्केट रिपोर्टर लगवा दिया. ये उनका काम था. उन दिनों कंप्यूटर नहीं होता था. BSc आसफ अली रोड में जाओ, दिल्ली स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से वो रेट्स ले आओ, वो शाम को दे दो टैबलेट करके कि ACC कितने ऊपर गया नीचे गया. तो ये काम करते थे. तो क्या हुआ कि जब इमरजेंसी लगी तो बलवीर पुंछ गायब हो गया. तो वो कहाँ के वो काम क्या. Raghavan was the news editor. He was very fond of me. मैं कप मारते, hey, your Jansangh is disappeared. I said, what do I do then? I had no idea. Anyway, after about 3 months, he surfaced, Balbir. So I said, कहाँ चला गया था? He said, नहीं बताऊंगा. He was reluctant to talk. You know, that atmosphere was such, you know, the people thought that everybody is spying on you. You thought Tablin is actually working for the
Everyone
IB.
was spying on you.
Everybody was spying for. And Indian Express had 1 or 2 reporters doing this job. I knew. So he took me out under the spot news, that of Times of India. I said, क्या हुआ? तूने क्यों माफ़ी मांग ली? He said, नहीं, वो मुझे करना पड़ा और मुझे अभी भगत जी ने कहा है, आई एम कोटिंग हिम, भगत जी वॉज द दिल्ली कांग्रेस चीफ, भगत जी ने कहा, देखो बलवीर, अभी तुम्हारा कार्य ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, अब तुम ऐसा करो, रोज़ाना शाम को 5 से 7 बजे तक डीपीसीसी के ऑफिस में आओ और जो तुम्हारे साथी बचे हैं उनको लाओ. आई लॉस्ट माय शर्ट. आई से यू सो बी, तू खुद माफ़ी मांगा, दूसरों को भी करवाएगा, भाग यहाँ से. I did that to him. And he disappeared for another 3 months.
Okay.
No, this is a fact.
So Buzdil
the leaders didn't know. अडवाणी जी को एक दिन मैंने उनको बताया, मैंने कहा अडवाणी जी आप तो ठीक है उसको बनाते रहिए. कहते अच्छा मुझको तो मालूम नहीं था कि बलवीर ने भी माफ़ी मांगी है. ऐसा है क्या?
इनाम राज्यसभा टिकट मिला उनको, है ना? राज्यसभा में दो.
Acha, we are going to the questions. Did any section of the media support the emergency? This is from Sudeshna Devi on Facebook.
The entire media supported the emergency.
End of
the
story.
Statesman and the Indian Express tried to resist, but they failed.
Okay.
I tell you about the press council. Kuldeep went to the press council chief, Justice Iyengar, and told him to call a meeting because he was in the executive committee. After talking to him, when he went away, Iyengar picked up the phone, rang up B.C. Shukla, and told him Kuldeep had come to me to call a meeting. I have not allowed him to hold it. Then a meeting
B.C.
was
Shukla
called.
was the Information and Broadcasting Minister
a
at
meeting
that
was
time.
called where I think Kuldeep and 10-15 people gathered. And Kuldeep tried to get a resolution passed. No one did it.
Yeah. So at that time, actually,
That's why
Indira
Kuldeep was
Gandhi,
picked up later on.
Inder Gujral was the Information and Broadcasting Minister at that
But
time.
he was penalized-
But he
penalized.
he was penalized because Sanjay believed that he wasn't giving the right amount of
Sent to
coverage
Moscow.
to their.
And the 2 newspapers came out, no? There were newspapers coming out with
And
the
Menaka-
emergency
One,
news.
one
Menaka
magazine that you used
Surya.
to work for, which is bound in sin, as I always
Which
said.
one?
I believe your brother owns that magazine.
Acha, India Today.
That is bound in sin. That was the whole
started
idea.
it.
I
She-
started it at
she's
that
the
time.
one
The
who
whole
started
idea
it.
was to sell emergency to outside.
I
No,
disagree.
she started it, and
there
it
was no
wasn't.
idea to sell emergency. It was just this little magazine with a circulation of 12 started at
it
that
started
time.
in the emergency, right?
It started during the emergency, but there was no.
And
in
Uma
fact,
Vasudev and
Uma
all-
Vasudev, when I left for New York, my father hired Uma Vasudev to take over, and in fact, she was fired.
Chamchi number 1 at
she
that
was
time.
fired by my father because she was doing
There
chamchagiri
you
of
are.
Indira Gandhi. So that's why she was fired. So
No, I mean, no offense, but the
no,
fact
no,
is that
I don't take offense. I'm
emergency-
just clarifying that
Yeah.
it was. People do say this that because it was launched in
IIC,
at that time.
IIC launched in sometime in Abu Ibrahim and all the. We know that this is where it was launched.
No, it wasn't
Jab-
launched.
jab-
No,
There
no,
was-
Surya-
there was no launch. It was such a tiny magazine with 4 people: Shirley Joshua, Dilip, Bob, Sunil Sethi, and me. So, and a circulation of just family.
नहीं.
No, let's be clear. IIC से मैं कुछ नहीं था.
दोनों शुरू. सूर्या तो वो उसकी थी ना.
सूर्या तो मेनका की थी ना.
मेनका गांधी की
सूर्या बाद
magazine.
में निकली है.
India Today at that
I
time
know,
was
but
made
Surya
up
was
of
not.
photographer, my sister. It was a mom and pop sisters, brothers.
No, but
brother had
maybe
nothing
because
to
the
do with it.
association with Uma Vasudev. gave
Uma
it-
Vasudev was fired after 3 months by my father after I left for New York because she was basically a chamcha of.
Muhammad Yunus and company and
Muhammad Yunus threatened my father. That's another story. He called my father and he threatened him. And my father stood up to him, not because he believed in journalism, just because he didn't like this man ordering him about. So that's, anyway, let's go to the next
दो
question.
बातें मैं आपको बताऊं इस सिलसिले में. हाँ, उसी
We're running out of
उसी-
time.
उसी सवाल पर मैं बता रहा हूँ कि
जल्दी।
बड़े अखबार जरूर रेंगने लगे, बड़े पत्रकार रेंगने लगे, लेकिन हजारों रणभेरी जैसी बुलेटिन लोगों ने छाप करके इमरजेंसी के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ी. दूसरी बात आपको ये बताऊं कि जब इंडियन एक्सप्रेस बंद होने की स्थिति में था तो घनश्याम दास बिरला ने रामनाथ गोयनका के पास भेजा किसी को और कहा कि अखबार बंद मत करना, मदद की जो ज़रूरत होगी मैं दूंगा. तो रामनाथ गोयनका ने उस आदमी से कहा कि सेठ से पूछो कि कितनी मदद करेंगे. तो घनश्याम दास बिरला का जवाब था कि कोई जितनी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी उतनी मदद करेंगे।
उनका अपना अखबार जो था लेटा हुआ था।
तो उनका अखबार लेटा हुआ था। तो
वाह।
कहना ये
चलो
चाहिए
ठीक
कि
है। So Sultanaj Taj asks, how much was South India affected due to the emergency?
He
Not
was
at all.
not watching
at
the
all.
program. Not at all.
Not
Not
at
at
all.
all.
अच्छा, हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी, राय साहब जी आपके लिए ये क्वेश्चन है। राय साहब से मेरा सवाल है, अभी तो आपातकाल की
स्थिति
आहट जैसी बात की जा रही है, वो आशंका कितनी सही है?
आपातकाल का जो लोग इस समय भय दिखा रहे हैं वह निराधार है, और जो संवैधानिक व्यवस्था बनी है उसमें अब कोई भी प्रधानमंत्री आपातकाल की घोषणा नहीं कर सकता।
और कानूनी भी नहीं कर सकते।
But do you
because
think there is a certain amount of fear and self-censorship right now, Virendra?
Yeah, but you can still achieve that end without, legally declaring
Okay, but
emergency.
Madhu,
So do you think
isn't
they're
it-
achieving the, is the
No,
press...
I'm not commenting on the present
No, one minute,
situation.
Madhu, who
But you
is
can
there some
accept-
control?
There are
इस
any
वक्त
number of ways
emergency
of
declare
controlling
करने की
the...
जरूरत
Virendra,
नहीं है।
who has been
People ने
stopped?
खुद लगाई हुई है।
They're building up this case.
Any number of
but-
ways to control the media, Baba. You dangle the very free ads campaign, like I'll give you 10
Or stop
crore.
ads.
But they've been
I'll
doing
give you a
that
license.
since
Any number.
1947. They've been doing ads for the newspapers.
All of them do it.
No, but this...
Including Kejriwal
But
incidentally.
is there self-censorship, you think? Is there a vindictive fear? But
I
there
think
was,
that's
it's
wrong.
been, I think it's been there since
Why
UPA.
she gets away writing what she does
I mean,
in
come
Indian
on,
Express
you know,
every
I
week.
mean, who's stopping anyone? I want to know
That is
who's
true.
been stopped.
Nobody is been stopped.
Okay, now Rishi Vadva asks, would it be fair to say that the liberals lack the skill of spinning propaganda, and therefore fall in a democratic setup?
What
I think
nonsense.
that's an odd
Liberals
question.
are the best ones to do this. They've been doing it. Liberals have always dominated the left. Liberal, so-called secularist elements have dominated the media narrative.
And
in fact, the
politics.
problem is that they're losing out. And that's why they're creating all this hoo-ha about, the Modi is clamping down.
Harshvardhan Tripathi asks, Tavleen Singh, do you think is this government trying to impose emergency-like a situation by any chance? This is not. I've already
इमरजेंसी की
answered
एक
it.
दिक्कत इनको इमरजेंसी नहीं करने की जरूरत, but please, it's a horrible atmosphere. इसको टेक्निकली इमरजेंसी इससे नहीं कर सकते कि आर्टिकल 21 राइट टू लिबर्टी वो सस्पेंड नहीं हो सकता. That law has been changed constitutionally. But the fact that there is a fear in the people deliberately keep back, that certainly is there. And
Where is this fear?
Yes, that's
In the
उसका
media?
कोई इलाज नहीं है.
Where is the media?
No, it's not a question.
Where
of-
is the fear?
No, please read what happened even today. The newspaper was carried.
Well, there are people
that you
who've
killed-
lost,
killed
editors
a
who've lost
person.
jobs.
Muslims
No,
have
not
been
Muslims. There have
targeted.
been journalists
You see,
and editors who've lost
Madhu-
jobs for being anti-government. That has happened.
if 7 people, Hindu,
And you
can
get a
kill a
directive.
people today,
Get directives, get rid of this
Bhai,
person, and they got
If they're
rid of.
lost
Is
job,
it-
partly it is economic factors. The Lalaji
that's
can't
not an
afford to-
economic factor.
Yeah, it is.
There are
7 people,
also political
7
factors.
people-
The Hindustan Times closed down its editions.
No, that
all
is
over.
also true
That
because
Ananda
of-
Bazaar Patrika is closed
No,
down.
Virendra, that is a separate issue. The economy, a lot of people have been fired in the media, but there have been many instances of directives being given to editors or owners that get rid of this editor, and it has happened. We know it, you know it, and this happens in every government. It happened. UPA was ham-handed, and you got to know about it more.
Nobody can sack me because I am not employed by anybody.
But nobody can sack you anyway because
No,
you
I
are
don't work
impossible.
for anybody.
You are impossible.
No, I don't work for
They were
anybody.
more subtle. The UPA
They can stop
government.
my
UPA
column,
was doing
all
the
right.
same thing. All the governments have been doing the same thing, and these people are also doing the same thing. So I don't think that makes any difference. Now, Utkarsh asks, did demonetization give a feel or even a glimpse of the emergency? Were situations similar or worse? I don't think there's a
There's no
comparison.
comparison.
Anyway, Bharat Subramaniam asks, in 1975, media crawled, but don't you think now some section of the media may end up supporting the emergency and censorship? No, let me change that question a little bit. I think, Ram Bahadur ji, आप भी इसका जवाब दे सकते हैं कि do you think there's a certain section of the media which now actually have become sort of propagandists and spokespersons for the government, and the media is divided in pro-government, anti-government? Birendra
That happens in all free countries. I mean, look
But
at what's
इतना पहले
look
इतना
at
ज्यादा
what's
नहीं होता
happening
था
in
कि
America.
राज्यसभा से
I mean, the Fox
but
News,
by the way,
there's a
by the
Fox
way,
News.
नहीं, आप ज़रूर जवाब दें. But I'm in the media, right? And the Indian Express opposes the government on a daily basis.
Well,
right?
Rajkumar Jha
Fiercely.
gave this speech.
Fiercely.
Gave this speech in the presence of.
I know, I was there in that. In fact, I was shocked
the
that
Prime
you called the
Minister
Prime
Modi.
Minister
Yeah.
and then you
Yeah.
said
And then
things
and
like
And he
Rajkumar Kamal Jha
I told
said.
him, I said, yaar, to thoda sa dhyan rakhna.
No, I think he was really good.
No, he was good, but at the same time,
But to the Prime Minister's face,
You
he
don't-
said,
no,
"We are
you-
proud
you-
of opposing you."
Yes,
you know?
that's
you
good.
don't
Yeah.
do that.
Because you see, I think it's important for the government, whichever government is in power, to understand that when we ask questions that give us the evidence for strategic strikes, if we are critical of policies, it is not because we're against you. It is our job.
Yeah, it's
and
adversarial,
and
the
that
relationship.
sophistication should come in all our governments. I would say compare it to Nixon and Kennedy. Kennedy took the criticism on the chin and said we need it to rise to our highest potential. And Nixon took it personally, and I think that's a very provincial, narrow view that if somebody is critical of you, you're against that person.
By
I
the
may
way,
be
this
critical
Prime
of a Modi
Minister has
policy,
not given a single press conference. Not one. Not one,
because-
and only 2 or 3 interviews. Huh?
मेरा
एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं हुआ.
मेरा कहना यह है कि HY शारदा प्रसाद से लेकर हरीश खरे तक जो प्रधानमंत्री के प्रेस एडवाइज़र रहे हैं, वे स्वयं भी प्रेस को क्या करना चाहिए इसकी सलाह देते रहे हैं. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के कार्यकाल में कोई प्रेस एडवाइज़र नहीं है और प्रधानमंत्री भी आज तक प्रेस को ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि आप ये करिए और ये मत करिए. तो पिछली सरकारों की तुलना में अगर इस सरकार को देखें तो मीडिया के बारे में ये सरकार तटस्थ है. मीडिया को अपना काम करने देने के बारे में, यानी वो ये करें और ये ना करें, इसमें कोई हस्तक्षेप का
राम बहादुर जी,
कोई
ये मुझे
एक
बताइए.
भी उदाहरण नहीं
But
है.
apart from emergency,
नहीं, राम
एक
एक बात मुझे बताइए. उनके 3 डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जिसमें न्यू मीडिया एनालिटिक्स विंग जो एनालाइज करता है ऑल द वेबसाइट्स. एक दूसरा है विच विद 300 पीपल इन इट. इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में स्टोरी निकली थी where they watch all the channels and a daily report goes to the cabinet minister, the principal secretary, and the information and broadcasting minister, and all the newspapers and print is, and there is a software developed by a man in Bangalore which they can categorize every journalist on every piece as positive, negative or neutral.
In other words,
why are we as taxpayers paying the government to watch us journalists?
You
Why are
should be
they
happy
watching
they're
us?
minutely, minding you in the sense.
No, Birendra, don't be
they're
flip.
following you.
No,
what
don't
you
be
write,
flip.
what you say on the television.
No, because you see, when you categorize a person as positive, how would you categorize Tavleen? So one day she's
Independent.
critical. Exactly. we
Tavleen,
are all independent.
Tavleen
one day,
continues to believe Modi is the best option for India, but when
you
he makes
see-
a
So do I,
mistake,
yeah.
I have the right to criticize
exactly.
him.
But you
I
see,
say it openly.
but when
And
you
I
are-
do criticize
But
him.
you see, that creates the germ of fear that am I going to be for Tavleen? You're a veteran journalist. Think of a junior journalist who's just starting out, who tries to do a story, or somebody middling who's working in a newspaper, and he's categorized as negative. I know that there's one reporter whose beat is the defense ministry, and because he did a couple of what they thought were critical stories, he's banned from their press conferences.
Madhu, the
editor
same
doesn't
thing
Those
happen.
cases are happening all over.
शारदा प्रसाद अच्छा हुआ आपने जिक्र किया. शारदा प्रसाद के पास ब्लैक लिस्ट होती थी
Yeah.
पत्रकारों की, और जो साथ देते थे. और ये
Absolutely.
इमरजेंसी की बात नहीं मैं कर रही हूँ.
नहीं, normal.
जब भी नॉर्मल, नेहरू के जमाने से है ये.
हाँ, ठीक है, but
अच्छा,
it's-
जिन जो अच्छा
Class
लिखते
system
थे
भी होता
सरकार
था.
के बारे में,
हाँ,
उनको मकान
story भी
मिलते
मिलती
थे.
थी.
और बल्कि भोपाल लखनऊ में जाके देखो पत्रकारों की कितने
Which
कॉलोनीज
doesn't
हैं.
make it all right.
But you see, you are not answering Madhu's thing. Why is the list being maintained? Moderate,
where is the
extremist.
list? Has
What-
anybody-
This is
Always
wrong.
been there.
How can
The
we see
very
it when they
basis
say
is
there are
wrong.
3 departments?
The list has always been there.
All
Listen,
departments created by this government.
you
I-
may
I
on
don't
your
know. I
own,
don't- I
you
can't
may
comment
on your
100%.
own, Tavleen will, all honesty, may own support Modi. That's a different matter. But what has the government got to do with keeping a list? This man is a
The
journalist.
list has always been
No,
there.
it's not
Journalist-
generated every
That-
day.
that is a very
it is
basic-
monitored every day. It's not something
Is the
which
media
is,
feed that any minister will every
मैं
minister from
आपसे
not
ये
now
पूछूं।
earlier is what the media is saying about me is given and kept on the table of the secretary to the ministry and the minister. Exactly, that's what their information
press
service is
information
all
of the
about.
information.
It's
There
supposed
is
to do that.
the new media wing is the online eyes and ears providing daily reports of the world of social media. The electronic media monitoring center that monitors 600 plus channels around the clock, 200 content auditors, they're called auditors, at this monitoring center send hourly reports and text messages of news breaking on any channel to top bureaucrats, including the principal secretary, to the prime minister and the national security advisor and the cabinet secretary. The third one is the National Media Analytics Center, which monitors and analyzes round-the-clock blogs, web portals of TV channels and newspapers and social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, among others. The software combs posts and comments to classify them into negative, neutral, and positive categories. The software helps recall past patterns of the writer to check the number of times he's taken a negative or positive. This is unprecedented.
Hang on.
This is unprecedented.
Can I just tell you?
ये क्या
It's a
authentic है?
digitalization of what they've always done.
But look at the extent of it. Look at the numbers.
At the because the media is huge. At the airport in Delhi, there is still, and in Bombay, there is still a man who looks at every issue of every foreign magazine that comes in and stamps
And
it.
there's
when
somebody
it's-
with
and-
a black marker
Yes.
who covers
The map.
breasts
All right. The
and
press,
other body parts.
what we should be asking for if we had the balls is that why is there a Ministry of Information and Broadcasting? It
Exactly.
should have been abolished a long
Why
time
should the
ago.
state-controlled,
And
television?
There should be no
And should
press
these be also be
the-
abolished?
This is all part
नहीं,
of that.
मेरा कहना है
This
कि
is the digitalization of the Press
ये
Information
तीनों
Bureau.
wing
Those were little lists. Now look at the massive.
Media is
massive
huge.
information
Media is
collection.
huge.
ये तीनों विंग मनमोहन सिंह की सरकार के समय से चल रहे हैं।
तो ठीक नहीं
नहीं
होता
जी,
है
नहीं,
अगर
नहीं,
चल भी
आप-
रहे
आप-
थे।
नहीं,
मैं
I'm
आपको
sorry, I
पक्का
don't
बता
agree.
रहा हूँ।
नहीं, I'm sorry,
और
I disagree.
ITO
ये इस
के-
गवर्नमेंट ने शुरू की है.
बिल्कुल
The new
नहीं,
media
बिल्कुल
wing ने
नहीं।
तो अभी पिछले साल शुरू
ये
किया.
तीनों
Exactly. अब कांग्रेस भी कर रही है. नहीं, कांग्रेस, I agree, कांग्रेस कर रही थी तो और भी खराब.
मेरी बात सुनिए, ये तीनों विंग मनमोहन सिंह की सरकार के समय से चल रहे हैं।
क्या ठीक हो जाता है?
और नहीं, ठीक नहीं हो जाता,
जायज़ हो
लेकिन
जाता है।
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि ये तीनों विंग चल रहे हैं और ये जो अभी की रिपोर्ट है इसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी के बारे में मुझे संदेह है, क्योंकि जिस तरह से प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी को नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइज़र को इसमें बताया गया है ये काम करने के लिए, जहाँ तक मेरी जानकारी है वो दोनों के काम का ये दायरा नहीं है।
नहीं भाई, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस ने ये स्टोरी
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस-
उनसे इंफॉर्मेशन लेके
No,
ये
that's accepted.
3 इंस्टीट्यूशन से इंफॉर्मेशन उनने दी है.
तो फिर मान लीजिए ना कि प्रेस के ऊपर उतनी ही जाती हो रही है जो पहले थी।
ये INB
Can't
मिनिस्ट्री
say
को
that
क्यों नहीं
president
बंद
free.
करते हैं? क्या फायदा है उसका जब सोशल मीडिया है, जब इंटरनेट है? ये क्या क्यों नहीं बंद कर सकते? आप कोई पहल करें इस मामले में, वो बंद हो जाए तो सारा कुछ बंद हो जाएगा.
There are two things flowing from this. One, that how seriously, regardless of the complaints that you make, the Modi doesn't bother to meet you. How seriously he takes all of you. B, you have to.
It's true, it's a compliment.
No, B, you have to produce some proof that those who are favored journalists in this list have been given some benefits, and those who are negative. I think
that's not the
I'm-
issue.
I'm-
That's
I'm
taking it
negative.
to,
Vanindra,
And
that's
they have
taking
been-
it to a material level. That's not the issue.
Neither here nor there.
Don't
That's
paper it over.
Sorry?
Don't paper it over.
No, I'm not.
The very
I-
section on a press.
Why do you
being
have
monitored-
may I ask you, why do you have information
being
service?
monitored
Army
is
of
wrong.
Central information officers.
No,
who
let
the-
him-
why do they have that?
Such a-
It only to
Justice
follow
such a-
what you guys write, what the media writes.
No, but why?
And tell
That's
us what
a
to
very-
write.
Why? Leave us alone.
Yeah.
They leave you alone, no?
No, no,
But-
no.
Or you can't deny them the opportunity to read
I will.
or see
It's,
what
first of all,
you put out.
no, I will deny being categorized. They have no
Where
business to
have they-
categorize.
have they taken out advertisement to
But
say the
they're
Madhu
spending-
Trayan is against
but-
this government?
No, but if they're keeping intelligence information to
How
themselves,
do I know?
they have given this information to
It
an
doesn't
Indian
sound
reporter.
right, the story.
अरे भाई ये तो समझ आती है.
Justice, we're
One
going to
can
end now.
understand.
Okay, we can have one final comment from each
No,
person.
one can understand that the Prime Minister or other cannot read newspapers themselves. So if somebody is sent, even the best of...
He's been there for Pandit Nehru
that's a
time.
different matter. Somebody being sent is different. But what she says is that this is pro, this is this, negative, etc. That's something which is horrible. That's a violation of the press freedom. What else is press
Translates
freedom?
into some
Not
action.
institutionalized,
What
Tabli,
else is press
not
freedom?
in huge departments.
Because the
manned
media
by 400
now
people.
is 300 news
You
channels.
could
How many
just,
news
all right,
channels?
so
Yeah.
one final comment
You
from
can't
each one of
categorize
you.
people.
Okay, for
Tabli.
me, the only comment I can make is what we need to worry about is whether there can be an emergency again.
That won't
ever
happen.
in India. No, I think there
it'll be
can
very,
be.
it's done subtly now. You don't
No,
have to call
I think
it.
that there can be, if what's happening in Turkey is a lesson for us, we need to be cautious about what is going on in Turkey, because how many journalists in jail in Turkey? About 300. And no, I
Well,
got that figure.
everywhere, you know,
No, but-
Russia.
Yeah, Russia.
Mexico.
In
And
India,
not that the
what-
journalists
in
in America are any better.
Yeah,
Look
yeah,
at the pressure
exact-
they are
Look,
under
but
from the
now,
Yeah.
fake
yesterday,
news.
yesterday
can
they
I make
banned,
my comment
they
on my own
banned
without you
they
speaking? One
banned
minute.
cameras.
Can I make my comment?
Yes, please.
All right, okay.
Ban cameras from the
One
press
minute.
conference.
Virendra, tu kar fir apni
नहीं
comment,
नहीं बोल
हाँ?
तुसी बोलो.
Okay.
Nema, I'm endorsing what you say.
अच्छा, चुप रहे 2 minutes, okay? The most important thing, the thing that has changed in my view since the emergency to now is that the people are more educated. There is a middle class of huge proportions. So they will stop it. Where the institutions are concerned, they can be manipulated as easily as they were then.
Yeah, the middle class obviously is the first line of defense against all atrocities against ordinary people or attack on human rights. But I don't think that you need to impose an emergency to achieve those ends. And this government, it doesn't need to deal with the media very sternly, because who's there in opposition to him? With this kind of opposition, Modi need not fear whatever you guys write.
So he should give a press conference. He should.
No, why should he give a press conference? He can reach out to the people over the heads of the media. Why do you think you are very important here?
We're not important. That's why give us a normal press conference.
Don't brush it. Don't put it
regularly.
under the carpet.
It should be a two-way
Don't
street.
put
na?
it under the
He
carpet.
reaches out, but does he
If
get?
I
reaches
can't
out.
speak without being, if I can't speak without being categorized by them, whether I'm favorable
Nobody's
or not.
categorizing.
Actually,
So
let Kim speak now.
How is that? I mean, this is what is happening even in amongst judiciary. They are making even a list of those people who are the supporters. Recommendations have been sent to people.
That's serious.
Recommendations have
No,
been
they are
sent for
only making a
people.
list of those who are corrupt and not corrupt judges. They are
No,
not making a
only
list of-
who are
No.
RSS oriented or not. Many people.
You'll be in contempt like I was.
That is
So
what is happening.
they are as corrupt as
You-
any
I mean,
other branch of
The
government.
difference is previous government was fully stupid. They didn't have the efficiency. These people have the efficiency right from 1920. Right from 1920 they have the efficiency. So they are putting it. If he tells you that the same categorization which Manmohan did, is that a justification?
No, of course not.
If Manmohan did it, why are you continuing? And you can't deny that the press is being managed, is afraid, they're conscious of whom they want to project. So the story of the press being totally free, as a matter of fact, there's a fear psychosis.
There is slightly, but I think Ram Bahadur ji, आप बोलिए. Your last comment, quickly.
मेरा कहना है कि लोकतंत्र पहले से मजबूत हुआ है, लोग जागरूक हुए हैं और मीडिया भी अपना काम ढंग से कर रहा है. जहां उसको लगता है कि सरकार का विरोध करना चाहिए, सरकार की आलोचना करनी चाहिए, वहां मीडिया आलोचना भी कर रहा है. जहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के अच्छे काम हैं उसकी का समर्थन भी कर रहा है. आज परिस्थिति यह है कि कुछ लोग जो इमरजेंसी का खतरा मंडरा रहा है, इसका की हवा बना रहे हैं, उन पर मुझे दया आती है, क्योंकि वे न इमरजेंसी को समझते हैं, इमरजेंसी की जातियों को समझते हैं और न हिंदुस्तान के बदले हुए लोकतंत्र को समझते हैं.
नहीं, इमरजेंसी इसलिए नहीं लग सकती.
और उनमें से ज्यादा लोग इमरजेंसी के सपोर्टर थे उस समय, जो आज चला रहे हैं.
आई एम नॉट बॉदर. मैं समझता हूँ इमरजेंसी नहीं लग सकती इसलिए कि इनके पास इतनी ताकत नहीं है. जुडिशरी इज मोर पावरफुल नाउ. पीपल हैव borne the ill fruit of emergency and they will resent. Not that if they could do it, they won't do it.
Okay, so the only thing that I would like to conclude with is that Virendra, the Prime Minister is reaching out to the people through radio and through various means. But don't
Social
forget,
media.
he's reaching out. But the question is that when you have a press conference, then journalists then become the
Interrogators.
to get answers back to what
Sure.
the people and they are interested in. So right now, it's a one-way street from the Prime Minister. It would be much better if there was a two-way street, that we also were able to give him the questions and he could address those questions. That would be ideal. So I want to thank all of you. Tavleen, thank you. Virendra, thank you very much. Ram Bahadur ji, bahut dhanyavad. And Justice Sachar is an inspiration to this generation. Wake up and see what all he's achieved. He's 93 years old. Thank you, everyone.